Good morning, friends. I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I am bringing up a magic short trick on logarithmic differentiation. It's a very short trick and question हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में. So I'll request you to kindly share this among your friends so that they are also benefited. And now I shall be teaching you with the help of my notes. Here I come. Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I am coming up with my notes on logarithmic differentiation मैजिक शॉर्ट ट्रिक. आप देखेंगे ये जो मैजिक शॉर्ट ट्रिक है ये आपका काम इतना आसान बना देगी. क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में. लेट अस सी ऑन माय नोट्स. Here I come with my notes. Magic short trick on logarithmic differentiation. Now the function is of the shape fx raised to power gx. Let us find its derivative. Its derivative is same, fx raised to power gx. And within the bracket, you have to write gx here and g dash x here. So that is, I want to say that you have to write the function gx here, its derivative here. In this case, derivative of f dash x ऊपर, फंक्शन नीचे, फिर काय की टेंशन, जवाब में आवे log of function. So you will write here f dash x, you will write here fx, and you will write here log x. So questions will be done like this. ddx of log x raised to power x as it is लिख दीजिए. जैसे e raised to power x में e raised to power x लिख देते हैं, same way write it this here also. Now here gx is x and derivative of gx is ddx of x, that is 1. F dash x, this is fx. So ddx of fx, that is log x over log x. Derivative of function divided by function plus log of the function, log of the function, log of log x. Question is done. On solving, you will get log x raised to power x, 1 over log x plus log of log x. Let us go to the second one. ddx of x raised to power x, same way as it is लिख दीजिए. Now here fx, here gx is this red x, इसका derivative ddx of x, you write here. Now this is fx, ddx of fx over fx. Look here, f dash x over fx and log of x. So this is, question is done. थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करना है इसको. x raised to power x, ddx of x is 1, x से x कट गया, it comes 1. This is log x, derivative of x is 1. Question is done. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I'll request you to share it among your friends. Thank you. Thank you very much.